Yeah, I don't think it makes no difference. It looked the same to me. The same to me. Same quality. You say it's better? We'll see.
Okay, there's that food.
DoorDash only paying me $2 for this delivery. Can I get a job application? Is this gonna be okay?
Is what?
Is that gonna be okay?
Yes, that's how the bottles are.
Okay. Yeah, can I get an application? DoorDash only paying me $2 for this. You can leave it at the front. I'll be back after I drop this one off.
What?
You can leave the application up front for me. I'm gonna fill it out once I drop this off.
An application?
Yeah.
We're not hiring.
What?
Sorry.
All right.
Not.
Thank you. She said we is not hiring. Get the fuck out of here. What are you talking about? That's what she just said, y'all. Can y'all even believe it? She said we is not hiring. Oh man, the light just changed, y'all. I need to make it through this light. Damn, I don't think it's gonna change for me. Damn, I gotta wait a whole new cycle. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do what it is. You know what? I'm just gonna make it right. Fuck it. That's what I'm gonna do. And I'll just make a left. And no, that's not called shortcutting traffic. It's called using your noggin. Why am I still seeing the same messages from earlier? This is crazy. Something is wrong with this chat. What the fuck was that? Did y'all hear that? What the hell was that? It sounded like somebody just hung up a phone. Oh, hell no, boy. I'm scared as hell now. I don't know what's going on. I just heard a phone hang up. Kevin Jones was timed out. Damn, that's my other cousin. Bro, I swear it sounded like a phone hung up. That shit scared the hell out of me, boy. Hand to me. We got 2 hand to me customers. Boy, boy, boy. Tell you what, they better have my job application up there when I get back. I know that. Boy, this about to be my last order right here. I know it is. Looks like the rain might be all the way done now. Making comments about Diddy is not the platform for those type comments. True. It's just a whole bunch of little ass kids. But that shit look dark as hell. Scary. Oh, shit. Hell yeah, I'm just driving around. Married? Ask me no silly ass questions. You see me driving this car.